woke up early just to see the sun. With every possibility, you're making all of me undone. Not so sure yet, but I think that I might. Nothing to your body as you sway on the backseat of my bike.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting together a rain barrel, which I have here. It'll collect all our rainwater. My husband got it to me for Christmas, so I'm really excited to use this and supplement the garden with water. The plants always do better when it rains, so might as well use this. It was a really good gift and I'm excited to put it together, so let's go. All right, so the first thing we got is a rainwater colander here. So basically this is gonna sift out like all the leaves and stuff, and the water will go right through and come out the spigot on the side, which will go through a hose right into our rain barrel. So we're gonna cut into the gutter. We're gonna cut into the gutter here, and we're gonna put this thingy on, and then the rain is just gonna come right through. So let's start there. I'm nervous about doing this. It's like I feel weird like cutting into like a gutter. So this is what we call amateur hour. You know, I never pretended I was a professional at this, but that's what we're here for. We're learning, we're growing, just like the strawberry plant over here. We're learning, we're growing, we're gonna get there. It's just gonna take a little time. Yeah, step one isn't going so well. This is like when you were at school and like your teacher would like put her nails on the chalkboard, even though that never actually happened, but when it did in movies, this is exactly like that. Maybe I should just cut the audio from this too, because this is just gonna be so... Jeffrey, our neighbors are gonna hate us. Oh, we did it. Okay, so we ran into a big issue here, is that this downspout colander is actually 3 to 4 inches in size, and our gutter is a 2 to 3 inch gutter. So when we went to put it on, it's supposed to go into the little grooves underneath. I don't know if you can see here. It's supposed to go into the little grooves underneath there, and basically the gutter is too small, this is too big. We found a replacement. We have to order it. Obviously it's gonna take days to come in, so I'll see you in a couple days. And here it is, and as you can tell, it is much smaller than the previous one. We tested it, it works, so we're good to move forward. Don't let anybody fool you. Gardening is a great workout. Did I ever mention I'm not a fan of ladders? You know, when I decided to have a garden, this was not what I had in mind. I didn't think I was going to be fixing a gutter.
What about a garden channel, huh?
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of things I didn't think through.
I didn't think through marriage.
Oh no. I did it!
Betty hates his gift?
No, I love my gift.
You opened it, you said it was still bad.
Oh my god, I should have put something on these gnats. It's like they migrated from wherever I go.
Now we just wait for rain.